Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bold the border of a table in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to bold the border of table. Go to a blank page. Then select the table tools option, otherwise press T on our keyboard. Then draw a table to this pages. Now we want to make this table border bold. Select the all border, click and drag on our mouse, then select, press shift on our keyboard to select this all border or wide. Then select the wide option and increase the wide, and we can see we change the border or wide very easily. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we change or bold the table border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.